Do you have an error with the Communication Client Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I'll guide you through the diagnostic to restore system stability and get localized communication client logic working again. Access the official Communication Client Library diagnostic resource now for a faster system configuration. This is the Communication Client Library, a generic naming convention used by several proprietary applications, from specialized web tools to game launchers, to house their internal connection discovery logic. If missing, the parent app will report network initialization failed or will be unable to reach its license server. With that background out of the way, here is how we actually restore the missing component. Unlike system-wide DLLs, Communication Client Library DLL is unique to the localized communication client logic environment, and reinstalling your specific software, giving the error from its official source, is the only verified method to repair a broken file reference. If a standard reinstallation doesn't restore the library, we need to verify if the system environment is properly recognizing the new components. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with Communication Client Library. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. Since that didn't resolve it, let's pivot to step 3 to address the root cause directly. If you need to pause the video to get your workspace ready, take your time. Rebooting didn't reconnect the runtime links, so let's go into the control panel and refresh the library files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. A brief word of caution: not all solutions found online adhere to professional security standards. Do not compromise your computer's health by sourcing Communication Client Library DLL from random internet mirrors, which often harbor hidden tracking scripts designed to bypass standard antivirus protocols. As an alternative to frequent manual checks, a secure maintenance utility can help keep your system environment on track. If background clutter or library inconsistencies persist, the official diagnostic tool below provides informational support for Communication Client Library. To support our technical team and receive updates on Communication Client Library resolutions, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.